Good morning, good morning. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. This is how we are spending our Thanksgiving. Today is day 350 out of 365 days over the road, making the sacrifice con la familia, los Reguera. Beshly just woke up. No, Beshly's already awake, I'm sorry. Beshly's in the truck, making lunch. I just woke up, making my way to this rest area to use the restroom, brush my teeth. Look at this beautiful scenery in the background. I believe we are in Wyoming. We're on the way to Utah. So stay in touch. We'll show you how we spent our Thanksgiving over the road, making the sacrifice we need to make this whole entire year to get to where we want to be at. So stay tuned. It is super cold outside. Super cold. cold. I feel like a ninja. Walking Scarlet. While Beshly cooks. You should only thank God or be grateful for everything you have on a certain day of the year. You should definitely be grateful every single day. Because a lot of people don't have what you might have. So never take something for granted.
Okay guys, so as you know, we are over the road on Thanksgiving and I'm gonna show you what I make for dinner. It's not turkey, but I did what I have here. So this is what I make. I made chicken in the air fryer, some asparagus, and some guacamole because our avocados were going bad, so I had to get rid of them. And then we're gonna put 3 tortillas. These are keto friendly, no carb, low calories. So we can make like a taco type of thing because we don't have bread, or we're trying not to eat bread, and we don't have mashed potatoes and stuff like that. So this is how the dinner is looking. So whenever I do the taco type of thing, it looks like this. The guacamole is at the bottom.
Beshly threw down today on Thanksgiving. Sorry I'm doing this while I'm driving. But I am a licensed professional, so we can do stuff like this.
No, we cannot.
So take it easy. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and have a blessed day. Cheers.
Look at Scarlet, guys. We are in Wyoming. It is starting to snow. I-80 is closed completely because there's a snowstorm. Look, Scarlet has boots, a jacket, and a sweater because it is cold and she's not used to it. So sometimes she be shaking and shivering, so we're trying to protect her. But she walks good with the boots because she's already used to it, I think. Well, not completely, but she has no other choice. Look at Scarlet. It's starting to snow, so she's already prepared for the weather. Guys, I'm so thankful for my family, which is Scarlet and Gordo. I'm so thankful for them.
So, like I said, the road is shut down on Thanksgiving on I-80. So this is how we're spending our Thanksgiving.
Thank God we have food. We're at a truck stop, so if we need the restroom or we have to buy something else, you know, we just buy. But yeah, this is pretty much how we're spending our Thanksgiving. But I don't mind it. We're together. Yeah. We're safe.
Started snowing pretty bad. It's my first time buying one of these sticks. Right here. So let's see how it works. All right, guessing this goes like this. Or maybe for this. Oh, that works. It's pretty cool. Oh, that was a fail. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully we are not stuck today. Let's clean this off and wish for the best.
Guys, the road opened up this morning, right, babe? Just this morning. It is, what time it is? It is 7:58 in the morning. We are in Wyoming still, and look at the roads, how they are already full with snow. How do you feel this morning?
Tired.
Why?